When your new bed has arrived, you should have the following parts: 1 headboard, 1 footboard, 2 side rails, 1 centre rail, 2 cross rails, 2 bundles of slats, 8 short bolts screwed into the bed legs, 6 long bolts screwed into the base ends, 2 bags of plastic caps, 4 balls, and an Allen key taped to one end of the side rails. Assembling your bed, it is helpful to have a second person to help when attaching the base sections to the bed legs. Lean the headboard against a wall where the bed will sit and do the same for the footboard. Remove all the bolts from the bed legs. Lay out the bed base sections ready for assembly on the floor. Using the long bolts, bolt the 2 crossbars to the side rails, then drop the centre rail into position and bolt in place. Tilt the bed head forward and lift the base section to line up with the appropriate holes, and screw the short bolts into the bed legs. Repeat the procedure for the footboard. Now tighten all 8 bolts. Fitting the slats. Push fit into the centre rail all the black double-ended caps. Fitting tip. Take a wooden slat and slide on 1 centre cap, then line up with the appropriate pre-drilled hole in the centre rail and push down hard with your hand. Then remove the slat and repeat the procedure for the rest. Now take a bed slat and push an end cap onto one end. Then slide the other end into the already fitted centre cap. Align with the appropriate pre-drilled holes in the side rail and push down hard with your hand. Repeat the procedure for the rest. From time to time, we advise you check the tightness of the bolts in the bed legs.
Fitting of the bed balls. Take a little time to align the threads carefully and simply screw the bed ball into the top of the bed posts.
You can now add your mattress to the bed, and that's it, all done.